How to see who viewed your Facebook profile proof. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your Facebook profile using the latest update. And yes, I'll provide proof to back it up. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. Open your profile. Once in your profile, tap on the three dot right next to the Edit Profile option. Scroll down. In the last, you will see Turn on Professional Mode option. Tap on it. Turn it on. Go through all of its details prompting on the screen. Then head to the Professional dashboard. In the dashboard, you have all of functions in it. In the top, you will see the Insights option besides Home. Tap on the Insights. Once in it, go to the Views option. Here, Facebook will show you who viewed your profile exactly in numbers and profile. And that's how you can see who viewed your Facebook profile with the new update, along with proof. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.